All right, so what you want to do here, once you get your measurements and all of your metal cut and all lined up, take some WD-40 here. Just run it in there. Just like so. You get your string, if you will, here. You're lined up pretty good there. Then you take your roller tool here, take your end here and get started in the crack. So yeah, you just kind of push it in there with this bottom piece here, and then once you get it started, kind of hold your knee on it like so, and then just roll it on in there, and just work it like so till you get it in there. It's easier with two hands to do it, but that's how you get her started, and then just keep going all the way around, and then you get to here, get to this corner, just kind of work it like how you would start it, you know, just pushing in there with the back of it.